Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make macarons out of paper. We'll start by gathering all the necessary supplies, then move on to cutting and shaping your paper pieces. You'll learn how to assemble them to create a convincing macaron shell and filling. This guide will help you craft charming, decorative paper treats that last much longer than the real thing. Before we begin, let's ensure you have everything ready. Grab some paper in your desired macaron colors, perhaps a pastel for the shells and white for the filling. You'll also need a good pair of scissors, a pencil for tracing, and a ruler for straight lines. Craft glue works well, but a hot glue gun can speed up assembly. Don't forget optional decorative elements like glitter. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this guide on crafting paper macarons, please hit that like button and subscribe for more fun DIYs. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. It's a small detail that makes a big difference, just like the little details on our paper macarons. You can find the link in the description, along with other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's focus on the shells. For each macaron, you'll cut 2 identical circles. One circle will become the bottom shell, where you'll carefully snip small, even fringes around the edge to mimic the macaron's signature foot. The second circle will be gently curved to create the slightly domed top. Precision here makes a big difference in the final look. With your shells ready, it's time to add the delicious-looking filling. Cut a strip of paper, about 1/2 inch wide, in a contrasting color for your filling. This strip will be carefully glued around the inside edge of one shell. Then, attach the second shell on top, sandwiching the filling. Ensure all pieces are securely glued for a durable and beautiful paper macaron.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.